Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install Claude Code in your terminal on Mac operating system. First step is you want to press Command Space, which will open Spotlight Search, or you can just find it at your top menu bar and you can click on this. And here we want to type terminal. This will open our terminal. And here I have this command from Claude Code Docs, which is official website of Claude. And you want to copy this for macOS. This command for macOS, you can paste it in the terminal, press enter, and now it's going to install Claude. So I can leave this command in description as well with the link of this site. So you can copy it. Now after the installation, you should see Claude Code successfully installed. And one more thing, you want to copy this echo command. This will add Claude Code to our path. So just want to copy this and paste it again in terminal. And now everything should be ready. So we can type Claude, press enter. Here you can choose your text style that looks best with your terminal. So you can go with your arrows on your keyboard and you can see preview, light mode. I'm going to press enter. And now we have to select the login method. So I'm going to be using the first method with subscription. If you want to use this, you need to have at least Pro subscription, which is around $20. So I'm going to press enter. Now it will open this window in your browser and you want to authorize your account. You want to sign in again. I'm going to sign in with my Google. Now we can close this window and you can see login successful. Press enter to continue. So I'm going to press enter. You can see some security notes, enter. We can use recommended settings, and now we are ready to go. You can allow this access if you want to folders, to Claude Code if you want. And now you can start chatting with the Claude Code. If you want to switch modal, you want to type /modal, press enter, and here you can see sonnet, fable, you have opus, or you can choose the default, which is sonnet. So this is like for the most common tasks. If you want something better, you can switch to opus. So I'm gonna press enter, and now we are using opus. So I can type, for example, this prompt where I want to see what are specs of my Mac, and it will ask you for approval. So I will allow access to get the information. And here you can see everything about my Mac. So if you found this video helpful how to install Claude Code in your terminal, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.